Miss Universe Philippines who stand out to me. This is Lizette Asilo, your Miss Ilocano Defenders 2021. For my top 10 list, I have Miss Margie Moran. As we know, Miss Margie Moran is the second Filipina who won Miss Universe. I've chosen her because for me, she's one of the legends, undeniably. And when I watched some of her performance before, she really stood out from the other contestants. Her beauty, para siyang manikin, and she speaks beautifully. And one of the judges is really impressed how she speaks Spanish language na talagang nakakabilib, and she's so unforgettable. Lalo na yung iconic sly smile niya at saka yung eyes roll when she accidentally saw the result. Sobrang nakakatuwa talaga. I hope I can find that video. Nakita ko yun sa TikTok before, and once na nahanap ko, I'll show you after this game. And for my top 9, I have our first Filipina Miss Universe, Gloria Diaz. For me, she's a history. Way back then, ibang-iba talaga ang lakad ng mga candidates. And seeing how she walked, makikita mo yung poise, iba. She walked with class. She's really good in speaking as well. And what I love about her is she's a family-oriented person. As I remember, the host asked her about her family, and she told them that she has 11 siblings and named them one by one. And for me, that's heartwarming. I really love people who loves their family. And I believe she won because of her stage presence. I love her smile and confidence. And when everyone is expecting her to give a political answer, she just answered it frankly. And that's why she earned the crown. She gave me an impression that there's no formula for winning the crown. Just be yourself. And for my top 8 is Miss Venus Ra. Miss Venus Ra won as Miss Universe 4th runner-up in 2010, the beginning of Powerhouse. I believe siya ang naging way para mapansin ang Filipina beauty sa pageantry. And ang proof dun is, in the next years, hindi na nawala sa top 20 ang Philippines sa Miss Universe. Our next is my top 7, which is Shamsi Supsu, winning the Miss Universe 3rd runner-up in 2011. And this year, mas naging fanatic ang mga Filipino sa pageantry. We even called her walk as Tsunami Walk, na talaga namang tumatak sa atin. Hindi lang yun, most of us saw how smooth her performance is. Her posture, poise, everything is on point. Akala ng lahat makukuha na natin ang corona that time, but unfortunately, hindi nakuha. Kahit hindi man natin nakuha yun, Shamsi Supsup, she proved that she don't need the crown to stand out, because for us, she's the queen of the night. And for my top 6, I have Miss Ariella Arida, who crowned as Miss Universe 3rd runner-up in 2013. What I like about Miss Ariella Arida is the way she walks. Her catwalk is so polished, her skin is astonishingly beautiful, and it fits her walk. Her pure Filipina beauty really stood out from the rest. She's so beautiful, and her confidence and elegance, iba talaga. I don't have anything to say because she's divine. That's the reason why she's my top 6 on my list. And for my top 5, I have Miss Beatrice Luigi Gomez. For me, she's a history. She's the first openly bisexual woman who was crowned as Miss Universe Philippines and represented our country at the Miss Universe 2021 and finished as a top 5 finalist. She's different from the rest of Miss Universe Philippines winners because she has the heart of a soldier, a resilient woman, and she has a humble upbringing. What I love about her is that she doesn't have to rely on social media presence. She just focuses on her goals, and she's unbothered with all of the criticism she received. She's definitely one of the best Miss Universe we had. And for my top 4 on my list is Miss Miriam Kimbao, who won Miss Universe first runner-up in 1999. She's so remarkable when she fell down on that stage and she stood up like she showed the strength and power as the woman rises from the fall. She turned that fall into triumph. Her performance was really great, especially nung lumabas siya sa evening gown niya. She's screaming for the crown. Napaka-classic, napaka-sophisticated, and yung poise, applause, wala akong masabi. For me, Miriam Kimbao and Janine Togonon are the Miss Universe we never had. Which is papunta na tayo sa aking top 3. Miss Universe Janine Togonon. Which is papunta na tayo sa aking top 3 Miss Universe Janine Togonon. I was watching live that time nung lumaban siya sa Miss Universe way back 2012. Sobrang na-excite ako kasi unang labas pa lang ni Miss Janine, kitang-kita mo na she deserved the crown. Her full performance says it all, lalo na sa Q&A part. Her answer is short but it was concise. Her conviction made it so impactful. She was so amazing and powerful on stage. Until now, hindi pa rin ako makamove on na natalo si Miss Janine or first runner-up lang yung nakuha niya nun. Because she was obvious winner that time. Even though she only got the first runner-up, she's the winner for me. 100%. And for my top 2, actually, I was torn kung sino ba ang top 1 at top 2 ko kasi they are tie para sa akin. Alam ko naman, alam niyo kung sino tong mga to. So, first, let's go with Miss Catriona Gray or Miss Universe 2018. We all know that she came on that stage so prepared. From her walk, her overflowing confidence, her smile, she was so relaxed. Her attitude on stage was so polished. Everything was so beautiful and magical. Yun bang bawat labas niya, alam mo, iba siya sa lahat. Kasi, that is Catriona Gray. Wala talaga akong masabi because she's one of the best candidates or Miss Universe we ever have. She's gold. She's not there to compete. She came by just to get her crown. Period. Ganon kagaling para sa akin si Miss Catriona Gray. Sobrang galing. I love her. And last but not the least, Miss Pia Wurtzbach, the most controversial and remarkable Miss Universe ever because of Mr. Steve Harvey. In performance-based, she seemed so nervous back then, but she handled it with grace and smile. She really showed that she's confidently beautiful with a heart. What I love about Miss Pia Wurtzbach is her hard work. As we know, she joined not just once, not just twice, but thrice. She never gave up until she got the crown of Miss Universe Philippines and represent our country. She's an inspiration to me not to give up on anything that you really dream of. Na wag tayong mangarap, kundi kumilos tayo para makuha yung pangarap na yun. She only wanted to represent our country back then, but she came home with the crown. Her winning is the most humble, most inspiring, most heartfelt moment during that pageant. It really showed that dreams do come true after so many failures and trials. She really do deserve the crown, and until now, 7 years later, she's still actively raising funds for various charities. Actually, she's really a queen and she's still inspiring me right now. I really love her looks, her fears, and congratulations that she's already engaged now. So yeah, that's it. That's my top 10 Miss Universe Philippines. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. I-share nyo na rin kung nakaka-relate kayo and mag-comment kayo kung sino ba ang top 1 yung Miss Universe Philippines. And please do like our page as well, Ilocano Defenders. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you again. Bye. That's all.